This washing machine from Bosch has an impressive A++ energy rating, delivering perfectly clean laundry while staying kind to the environment. And the generous 8 kg capacity is great for families. The EcoSilence drive replaces brushes inside the motor with highly efficient magnets. They experience less wear and tear over time and operate super quietly. The motor comes with a 10-year warranty and reduces your washing cycle to as quiet as a whisper. There are a number of special care programs to suit your versatile needs, including dark washes, an Allergy Plus wash, and fabric-specific washes for silks, sportswear and curtains. With such a wide choice of programs, your laundry will receive the best care, load after load. ActiveWater technology sensors inside the machine automatically assess your laundry load and calculate the optimum water level required. This means there's no water wastage, ideal when you only want to wash a few items. Saving you time, money and effort, this powerful Bosch washing machine is the ideal choice for your home.